Hello everyone, we are second year student at Lords College. For us, this trip was more than just academics. It was about personal growth, traveling to a new country, meeting new people and adapting to a new environment. It gave us the self-confidence to move forward in life.
I, Imrana Fatima, had the privilege of attending industrial and internship training at IIUM Malaysia. This experience enhanced my technical expertise in data science, programming, and project handling, while also strengthening teamwork, leadership, and cultural adaptability.
Throughout our internship in Malaysia, we have explored various AI models such as broken vehicle plate detection. This project tackles broken vehicle plates in Malaysia, which affects identification and road safety, using YOLO object detection. Facial landmark detection. This project uses MediaPipe and OpenCV for facial landmark detection. It detects faces in real time and marks key points like the nose, tip, and eyes.